Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick video on something I received for Christmas, and that is new to me anyway, KickAss Automatic Tyre Deflator set. It comes in a set of 4. This was something I received at Christmas and thought, well, I've never used these before and might be a good idea to just do a quick video and see how they perform. So we'll go ahead and do an unboxing. We'll chuck them on the Raptor and see how they perform, see how accurate they are. Hopefully they live up to the hype. I had a quick look at some marketing material on the KickAss website, and they look simple enough. But let's get them unboxed and let's see how easy it is. All right. So what do we get in the box? Let's open them up and have a look. All right. So we get the four deflators, nicely packaged, I guess. A little pouch. Some instructions. Cool. We'll file that for later. And I believe we also get 4 valve caps. So we'll chuck those on and have a look at how they look on the Raptor. But the deflators themselves, we've got 4 of these. Packaged up, and this is what the deflator looks like. Don't really know how to use it, but I'm assuming there's 2 screws here. We loosen that one off. Okay, so it looks like we can set the desired PSI level. So it goes down to 15 down to 10. I don't know how well that's going to come up. But let's just go down to 20. I guess you don't want the arrow showing. I don't know. Maybe I should read the instructions, but hey, that's pretty close. So I'm guessing then we lock it off. Just tighten that up. And I guess that's it. Once they're set at the desired PSI level, I'm assuming we just screw this onto the valves and then pull up here to start the process. So I'll go and set all of these to the same value, and then we'll go and try them out on the Raptor and see how they work. We're going to do, I guess, I'll time it to see how long it takes to get down to 20. I think I'm running about 40 right now, and then hopefully they should auto shut off. So we'll keep an eye on that as well, and we'll see how accurately we can get all 4 tires. One thing I just noticed before I go out to the car, there's 2 indicators on these, so it might be helpful for some of our international viewers. I was looking at the PSI values, but on the other side we've got bar there as well. So 20 roughly is equal to about 1.4 bar. So yeah, we got dual indicators, which is nice, but as I said, I'm going to stick with the 20 for now, and we'll go and get these tested out. Alright, so here we are with the test, well, I guess set up. We are currently going to look at the front left, so we're sitting at 41 PSI on the front. We'll take one of these that we've already set. That's the standard caps, just for reference. These are the caps that come with it, so they'll look a lot better. But let's get on with it. So, first time using them, I guess we're just going to plug these in, and I'll do a timer, but okay, alright, it's going to start as soon as I plug them in. Let's go and have a look. Well, we're clearly going down. Not sure how long this is going to take, but I'll try and set an overlay of a timer so we can get an idea. And I might speed this bit up. No one wants to sit here and watch a static screen. Alright, so it sounds like that has stopped, and as you can see, it's stopped on 28 psi. Not actually sure why that stopped where it did, but let's take it out, have a look. Yeah. Let me just unscrew this. Actually, let's unscrew it there. So, unless it's where the top ring, it must be where the top ring is sitting. So, I'll go and readjust this so that the 20 is sitting above the top ring, and we'll try again. Alright, so now I've got it set up where, hopefully you can see that, the 20 is sitting above the lock ring. And we'll put it on again, and this time it won't catch me off guard because I know as soon as I tighten it, it'll start releasing. Alright, let's keep going. And this time, let's hope it gets down to 20 psi on that front left. Well, we've got our first warning, so that's good to know that at least there's the tyre pressure warning's working on the Raptor. Just so you can see, I've got a tyre pressure warning, low pressure warning come up. We're now at 22. Let's see how much lower it lets it get. Yeah, it's a little bit unclear, I guess, on the instructions, or actually the fact that I didn't really read the instructions probably didn't help, but I assumed it was just the bottom ring, but we'll see how much lower this goes. Now 20 is where I thought I set it. Sounds like it's still going. I'll let it get down to about 16, I think, 17 and 16, 17, and I might stop it there, but I was hoping it would stop by now. Alright, so it sounds like it's still coming out. It's not coming out very fast, but we're now showing 16, 15 psi, so I think that's time to pull the pin. Yeah, and I guess we're going to have to recheck those values because that first one didn't work. Alright, what we might do is put this on a back. I'll get another one of these out of the pack, and we'll put it on a different tyre and see if it gives us any different results. Alright, back soon. Alright, so we'll look at the rear left, currently on 41. I'll come over here. I've left this one just on, if you can see that, just on the 20 psi. Lock the ring on top and see if this is any different. Let's go and have a look. So we're now looking at the rear left. All right. Well, that one's just stopped, and it seems to have rested on about 26 psi. So, and that's the same as indicated on the main console. So, I don't know. It's definitely, oh, no. Yeah, okay, so that's definitely stopped there. And if we just go back and double check our numbers, yeah, we're still sitting on 26. So there you go. What I thought was 20 psi. Just try and loosen that off. No, what I thought was 20 psi. I don't know. Seems to be a bit out. There's around 26 on the dash. So we might wrap this one up here and then go back to the table and share our thoughts. All right, so we're back, and I guess, would I recommend the automatic tyre deflator from KickAss? Look, I didn't have the best experience with them. I've reread the instructions, and you know, I've done it right, at least as best I can tell, and that is we need to make sure that you've rotated this so that it reaches the desired level, and then lock off this ring, screw it on. You don't need to pull that out, it comes out automatically. But I had it set to 20 psi, and the indicator on the vehicle was showing, I think it was 26 or 28. I verified that was correct when I went back and reinflated the tires. So they're okay. They're not great. I guess if you don't need super accurate and you just want a quick and easy air down, they're certainly going to work. They're quicker and easier than not having them, but there probably are more accurate solutions out there. So I don't know, they were okay. They'll certainly get the job done, but if you really want accurate, precise measurements, I don't know if these are ideal. I tried with a couple, and the results were varied by a few to several psi. So I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong, but as best I can tell, I followed the instructions, and yeah, that's what we got. So yeah, if you've had a better experience, let me know. But otherwise, these are okay, but there probably are better solutions out there. But that's my thoughts on the KickAss Automatic Tyre Deflators. Thanks for watching. All right, bit of a bonus content for you. I guess I recently had a couple of mugs made with the channel logo on it, just for a bit of fun. I thought I'd share them with the family. But I have an extra one. I have a spare one here, brand new. So I'm going to say the first person who can put in the comments what my front left PSI value was at the end of the test, I'll send out one of these brand new mugs, and you can have that one. Just send me a message in the comments, and I'll be in contact and get your address, and we'll ship you out one of the Outback Overlander mugs for my for anyone who's interested in one of those. Thanks again, guys. See ya.